Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete search suggestions on Facebook app. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your Facebook application. Once you log into it, simply hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you will see an option of setting and privacy. Hit on that and go through the settings. Now scroll down and hit on the access your information under your information and hit again on the continue. Now from here select see more. Then if you click on the three dots of any history, then there you will see an option of delete. So in this way you can delete all search suggestion on your Facebook app. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.